pattern.
What did you say?
There's a few tattoos. Pattern.
You're seeing things.
It's a pathway. Where does it lead? Where are you taking me? What are you, nuts?
Officer! I need an officer! What? Solo! Bitch, open up on 40!
He's got the pathway on his body. It leads somewhere.
Back off, Haywire!
Now look at his tattoos. It's a pathway.
Haywire, I said back off. You want a hot shot?
It's a pathway to hell! He's taking us all out!